Good afternoon, grade 5 and 6. We are continuing with our grammatical portion, your grammar book. We have already finished our first section, first topic. Actually, both the both the classes have almost same topics. So, whenever I find differences, I'll do the topic separately for you. But now we are doing together because the topics are and the exercises are almost same. Yesterday we discussed about article a and the. We discussed basically about a and am, that is indefinite article. And today, I hope yesterday, as I told you, you have done your exercises based upon a and am for both of the classes. Today, let's talk something about the uses of definite article the. As you know that I have already discussed about why a and an are indefinite and the is definite article. Again, let's see something. First of all, see some of the examples before entering the main issue. He is the tallest boy in his class. The tallest. The has been used with the tallest. Which is the smallest bird? The sun rises in the east. He is reading the Canticle. So focus upon these underlined words with the. The use of the with a noun or pronoun, noun or noun phrase make it definite or specific. Both the speaker and the listener know what is being talked about. The same thing has been repeated. I told you if the definite article the is to be used, get to the word definite. Why? Definite would mean the specific that you know about. That's something, a speciality it has. You are known to the issue, subject. You are sure about the thing. So, in that context, you use the article the, definite article. Both the speaker and the listener know what is being talked about. If you say the girl in the red suit is my neighbor, what does it mean? There may be lots of girls, but you are focusing upon that specific girl who is in red suit, red dress. So the article the has been used to make things specific, exact. Hey. So, if you talk about exactness, if you talk about specific things, you use the article the. simply, but there are plenty of rules, things that you have to remember when you use the article, definite article, the, and in order to make your grammatical portion, especially article, strong, you have to remember few things, few issues related to the, because you have to know where to, there are some special events, special things where you have to be fixed that whether to use the article the or not. Is the omitted or will be kept? So there are various things that is to be seen. I'll talk about that issue also. She is the most intelligent girl in her class. I told you, most intelligent. And before this, the has been used, definite article. Why? Because I just told you, it is the example of your book. I told you, it is, someone is talking, the speaker is talking about the girl who is most intelligent of the whole class, in the whole class. So, she is special, she is specific. There can be a single girl who can be the most intelligent because it is the superlative degree and it is a single person to be referred. एक जना मात्रै त्यस्तो हुन सक्छ. So that is what the specific thing, a specific person, a special person. So I told you, if you are sure about the thing, if you are specific about the thing, you are supposed to use the article the. Next example is the sun is a big star. As you know that this is the universal truth, the universal object. The sun. The sun is a big star. The sun rises in the east. Why? What? The sun is a single entity in the whole world and this is a universal truth. And in that case also the article the is to be used. So be sure that one thing, it must be specific, special. You must be sure about the thing. Both speaker and listener must know about the subject to be taught. के को बारेमा कसको बारेमा कुरा गरिदैछ यदि त्यो त्यसलाई इंगित गर्नलाई चाहिँ भनिएको छ भने द को प्रयोग हुन्छ. Now see some examples from the text. We use the in the following nouns. I want you to note down, remember your page number 23. Page number 23 of your book, grade 6. There are some rules related to the use of the. In that cases, you have to use the definite article the. That is, listen to me carefully if you don't have books. Superlatives, unique objects, newspapers, rivers, seas, oceans and islands, mountain ranges, daybreaks, direction, musical instruments, religious books, ships, geographical names, deserts, historical events, parts in the house, inventions, historical buildings, internal parts of the body, physical positions, repeated nouns, nouns with clause that makes definite. First of all, I want you to remember these things and then do the exercises related to the. And we'll be discussing few things about no articles in our next classes. Just try to do all the exercises that is related to the articles a, an and the. Now you have plenty of exercises in your book, both grade 5 and 6. So we'll be discussing no articles, and our next chapter in the next video. Thank you. That's all for today.